Raise your hands if you know Luke Belmar. Alright, now raise your hands if you think Ehsanszz makes the realest and the most genuine reviews of other dropshipping courses. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, guys. Welcome back to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. If you guys don't know me, my name is Ehsanszz. I'm 20 years old. I live in Dubai and I do dropshipping and e-commerce for the past 4 years. Now I'm gonna be jumping straight into this video. I'm gonna be reviewing Luke Belmar's Capital Club dropshipping course, and I'm gonna be comparing to Jordan Welch's course, which is inside Iman Gaji's Digital Launchpad. So in a way, I'm comparing Digital Launchpad against Capital Club, and both of these courses have a course below them, which is one for Jordan Welch and the other one is for Alex Hormozi. Alex Hormozi? Nah, I'm playing. Alex, I don't know his real name or his full name, sorry. So I'm gonna be comparing these two and I'm gonna tell you guys genuinely which one is the best option for you guys. And now we're gonna have a winner. If you guys haven't watched my complete review on Iman Gaji's course that was made by Jordan Welch for dropshipping and e-commerce, make sure you guys click on this side or that side. You guys will watch the complete full video and then you guys can watch this video in peace. Now before I dive into the video, I just want you guys to subscribe to this channel because we're so close to 10k subscribers and I want to hit that before 2024. Sorry, 2025, alright? I want to hit 10k subscribers before 2025 and I truly believe we can do it, inshallah. Let's jump into it. Now some of you guys might be under the rock asking who is Luke Belmar, who is Iman Gaji. Both of these are the most influential figures of 2024. They're actually influencing teenagers, people all around the world, and they are basically the sons of AT. I can't say his full name, of course, YouTube doesn't like it. And they're basically the sons of this guy and they are basically literally similar to them in so many cases. So in today's video, I'm gonna review their courses and see if it's really worth joining or not. So jumping into my computer, guys, right now we're gonna watch the video, complete it, and then I'm gonna tell you guys if this course for Capital Club is better than Digital Launchpad for Iman Gaji. So okay, so I just got done watching almost the entire course or whatever you guys want to call it, and I have a winner. All right, I have a winner between Iman Gaji and Luke Belmar. Let me be honest, guys, there is a lot of things that I could take away from both of these courses, and I can be honest and tell you guys which one was actually the better one. Now as you guys can see, I'm inside Capital Club and we have different modules for each one of these courses from module 1 until module 7, and I can't lie, these modules are very in-depth and very self-explanatory when you watch the video, although there is some parts which I would probably fix and I would focus the most on, and this is something that 99% of the dropshippers actually fail, and the reason why they do not focus on their journey, and that is the winning product. For some reason, I don't really know why Jordan Welch and Alex kept their product research so short and there wasn't enough methods. I feel like there's way more methods right now that they could probably take advantage of rather than these old methods. There's way more better methods. You guys can use extensions, you guys can use these different apps that actually gives you the winning products and so much more. Even free methods that I would tell you guys, but of course it's only available inside our mentorship, which the link is down in the description. Now this is not the best time to actually promote it because you guys want to make up your mind between Iman Gaji and Luke Belmar and I'm interfering in the middle. Now who am I? I've actually built a 7 and 8 figure brand here in Dubai. I've actually done e-commerce and dropshipping for the past 4 years, and if you guys want to get started with e-commerce and dropshipping in the easiest way possible, I could not suggest you guys a better place. Now we are actually completely changing the current mentorship that we have and adding over 113 videos to the course where dropshipping is completely separate, e-commerce is completely separate, because in my opinion, once you're able to get the stocks in your hand, then it completely changes into a brand, which is also called e-commerce. Now to be honest, a lot of the key points that I liked inside Alex's, which is Capital Club course, is that you have different modes. For example, study mode, where you basically can take notes from the video that you watch, and the modules are way more extensive and in detailed rather than Iman Gaji's course. Now in my opinion, if I could compare the product research, both of these guys do not get the numbers that I would give them, because the product research is the most important thing, and both of these courses actually lack the product research. Now this is not to hate on them or anything, but this is just to give them a message that they have to work on the product research more than anything. The main reason why a dropshipper gives up and the main reason why he stops is because he cannot find a winning product. And for you to make it harder or for you to not have a proper solution for it, I think that even makes it worse. But regardless, both of the courses for Iman Gaji and Capital Club is so in-depth, so in detailed, and it makes a lot of sense for you to actually watch, learn from. Now finally, who is the winner, guys? Who actually gets the prize for the number one? I can easily go with Alex's course inside Capital Club because it's way more extensive and up to date. But if I were to give quality quality and effort, not in the videos, but the way it was edited, the way it was done, I think it's Iman Gadget's course. But if you are talking about information about dropshipping, how you could potentially build a good brand, then it would be Capital Club. Alright, there's no hate between any one of them. I love both of these guys, and these both are my inspiration. I'm just being honest out here, you know. So I hope you guys get my point. There is 7 modules inside Capital Club, around 34 videos I think, and each video goes in detail about each topic. In my opinion, if one thing would have been changed was that these videos could have been put in the same category for some of the videos, but the product research method should have been like 5-6 different videos. And if you guys don't know, Alex owns a brand called the Bright Ball, and this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it's actually 210 dirhams. You guys can buy it from Alibaba for 30. And I can't lie, it's not bad. It actually looks pretty good. It changes into your language. I'm not in Saudi Arabia though. That's cap. I'm gonna choose United States, see what happens here. But yeah, overall, I think it's pretty good, mashallah, in my opinion. $35 in USA, that's crazy difference, wow. But you guys get the point, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. This video was just to give you guys a complete brief. If you guys want me to review any other courses, any other thing, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a complete 72-hour challenge for Iman Gadget's course, and as well as Luke Belmar's Capital Club. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys do not miss out, because that's gonna be the craziest and the biggest video I probably will ever make, inshallah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for joining. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye, boys.